Right then, with the condition of this Renault Megane, it's the perfect candidate for a bit of TLC. Let's find out if we can get this thing looking anywhere near decent. It's been sat for 2 years, customer states intermittent starting fault, so here it sits. Let's see if we can get it running and over a drain for a long overdue bath using some awesome new products. Right, let's dive in and see what's what. There's no such thing as a simple job, and getting our little French friend here to show any sign of life is certainly going to be a struggle. All I want to do is wash the damn thing. Anyway, I can't do that here, so let's dive in and find out what's wrong and literally drag this thing kicking and screaming back into service. It's only done 50,000 miles and thinks it can retire to a bush in the country. Not if I have anything to do with it.
So it's not the receiver. You don't want it dripping down his neck.
Body control module, fuses, engine immobilizer, damp and corroded contacts, dead battery, collapsed suspension, seized brakes. We have it all to contend with here. Right, let's pull the battery and get to work on cleaning all those electrical contacts. At least then we can rule that out. If you guys are here to watch a car washing video, I would suggest that you hit that subscribe button and head straight for part 2. This thing is fighting back, so if you're not interested in seeing me pretending to be an auto electrician, then I'd understand if you skip this little battle. say it's working. Not entirely sure that what I did made it work, or if with it being French it just decided to. What I do know is it won't move. The brakes are locked up solid. So we'll get some air in the tyres and then give it some gentle, suggestive persuasion with a tow strap. I've searched the whole car, but there's no towing eye for the front bumper, so I'm having to jack up that collapsed front end to get access with a tow strap. That's the end of part 1, the extraction. If you have enjoyed the content, you can communicate that to me by hitting the like button below. Your like not only lets me know that I'm on the right track, but also signals to YouTube that this video is worth recommending to others. Positive vibes and feedback are always welcome. Feel free to hit the subscribe button here, comment and share your thoughts. Thank you for being part of this journey, and most importantly, have an awesome day. See you next time.